Okay, so I successfully took out the faucet. Yeah, it's nasty down here. I got a gasket, and then who knows? And then that thing is just nasty. It's been like that since more than 10 years ago. I tried to put some Clorox to clean it. It's useless. So the only way is to take it off and just replace this whole thing. I did use the nut wrench to remove the other plastic nut, and also the other tube, and then also I removed the a piece of screw. I have to unscrew it. The screw right here. The screw right there. Sorry. The screw right there. I use a what was it? 7/16 nut. Unscrewed it, and then took it off, and then it came out right here. So now I just have to clean it, scrape it, go buy a new faucet from Lowe's, and then install the thing. Hopefully I can fix it tonight, or probably next few days. I don't need this faucet for a couple days, so I got some time. I did find a deal on Lowe's. They're gonna sell these kind of faucets for like $29 each, but then if I buy 3 of them, I get like 10% off. So if I buy 3 of them, I probably can save around $9 to $10. Anyway, keep going.